today on another matter with respect to the investigation that we had concerning the 1.4 billion land acquisition deal at the OWWA. In relation to that, we filed a case before the Office of the Ombudsman against the former administrator and two former deputies administrator of the OWWA in relation to deliberate bypassing of the OWWA Board of Trustees under highly questionable circumstances that amount to violations of various laws, most notably the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. So we have filed this case against the former administrator and the two former deputies administrator, as well as the private sellers of the property. 1.4 billion pesos was paid to the seller. And that's precisely is our point in including the seller in the case in this particular situation. Well, we conducted our investigation and interviews on OWWA personnel, and a few other things were unearthed. Among other things, we discovered, for instance, that there were vouchers and checks that were signed prior to the deed of sale. So that's among the other things that completely bolstered and supported our case. And again, there are a few other details that were unearthed, but this is the biggest one that we unearthed in the course of our investigation. This matter is also in line with the President's call for accountability in public service. That was so clear from the SONA yesterday. And on the side of the DMW, this is one case where we are clearly holding public officials, high-ranking public officials, accountable for their actions that are in violation of anti-graft and corrupt practices laws.